Hi everyone. So today we'll see one more variant of the last interview question which we have seen, that is finding duplicates in string with the count. So the interviewer may ask one more variant. So instead of the string, they may ask find the duplicate words in a sentence with their count. So let's get started. I'll just create a class called find duplicate get words in string with count. I'll create a main method. Okay, and I'll pass a sentence string called string, um, str is equal to and Java developer also uh, am also interested in C. Okay, so this is a sentence which I'm passing to a method called find duplicate words, and I'll be passing the str. Uh, I'll be creating the method private void find duplicate words. I'll be accepting the string str. Okay, and the algorithm to find the duplicate words will remain same. That is, what we'll be doing is like we'll iterate over, we'll basically split this with spaces, and we'll be getting an array, and we will check we'll create a hash map, and in that hash map, we'll check if this word exists, and if it exists, then we will be incrementing the value of that word in the map. If it doesn't exist, we'll persist this in the map with one. So okay, let's get started. So we'll first create a hash map. Okay, we first split it. str dot split. We'll split it with space. Okay, and whatever we'll be getting a split. Okay, we'll be getting an array. And one more thing. Okay, we'll okay, take that later. And what we'll be doing is we'll be structured. How does words words map is between map integer. Okay, and I'll call it as a string map, str map, and then is equal to new hash map. Okay, and I'll I'll use a for each loop, and I'll be giving the type will be string and str word. I'll be passing the word, right? So it will be teacher map. I sorry, split. Should be the input. Okay, and in this we'll be using condition if uh, string integer map contains key word, uh, then okay, if it contains, then we'll update the map string integer map dot put. Okay, uh, what we'll be doing is like we'll be updating the um, key. Instead of key, I will just use the word comma string integer map dot get word plus one. Okay, so and in the else condition, what we'll be doing is like we'll be initializing the value with one. I just copy this one and I'll just update it as one. Okay, fine. So we have done it here, and this is the end of loop. Now I will just be printing printer line. I'll just print the map basically. Okay, so let's see static. Okay, static. Okay, I'll just see what we are getting currently. Mm, I am one in one. Okay, interested one. Okay, I am is okay, fine. So we are so it's working fine apart from some issues like this one, it's considering this one. Okay, so we'll fix it. What we'll be doing is like as you can see, we haven't taken into consideration all the cases like um, the uppercase and smaller case. So we what we'll be doing is like before passing it, I will be I'll be converting the entire string into smaller case to lower case. Okay, and then I'll be splitting it so that the yeah so that it will work in all the cases. For example, I am giving a string I capital I am and small also, so that should be counted as two. Yeah, it's working fine. Um, Okay. And then uh, what we will be doing is split it to okay. And also we'll add one more condition. Also we need to remove this right the this value. So we'll do that as well. Split HTML dot entry set dot um, remove this. I'll be passing the predicate. Instead of I, I'll just give it as a j dot get value is equal to one. Basically, I'm just making sure only the repeated strings are being printed. So this should work fine. Okay, so in our string, the I am is being repeated twice, and there's no other repeating words. just to make sure, I'll also add, uh, I have about six. So, uh, okay, I'll just modify the string so that the repeated words like Java and developer will be counted. And as you can see, the developer is being counted as twice, and I am is counted twice. Java is also twice. So, yeah, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe.